Alright, Foresters, today has been a day of just cleaning up, tidying up, doing some repairs here and there. I started to repair the bottom step, had cracked on us, and when I went to go to take it off, this happened. So I'll be replacing the entire set of steps going up to our deck. And speaking of the deck, we didn't build this deck. This deck came with it, and it was kind of run down. So until we can repair it, I went up underneath, and you can see I did some shoring up today, and we got the deck where it's nice and solid. We ain't got to worry about it falling down on us. Amy been having a busy day.
Hey guys.
Mulching. Look at how much wood chips she spread out today. Put it in the bananas, put it down there along the ditch, all the way around the shed.
Hell, at least up to the front
Looking
of it.
a lot better. We straightened up the shed a little bit. That area was getting really cluttered.
Yeah.
We took a load of stuff that wasn't any good today out to the dump. Braden was out here helping us clean up.
Yep.
So
I've got all the tiles picked up that were
all the tiles that we dug up out of the ditch,
There's still a lot more.
we got put in these bins for right now.
Yeah,
you can see
There's
where
still a lot.
they filled in this ditch, and they just threw tile in there for some reason.
There's still fish in there.
Yeah. Until it dries up, those
Yep.
minnows will still be. Hey, they're doing the job. Those minnows are eating
The
mosquitoes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had a busy day today.
Very busy day.
Wow, you really ate that pile up.
Check the other side. I used the other side to spread around.
Nice.
See? That's what you get.
She's a workhorse. Instead of using concrete blocks or something, they used wood. It's just a 2x4 laying there that they got the thing set on. No wonder the termites,
Ants.
even though this was pressure treated lumber, we live in Florida, we have termites that eat pressure treated wood. They eat everything.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna see how strong they got it up against the deck now.
Oh my.
Not very strong.
Holy crap. We could have hurt ourselves on that stuff. Oh.
But well, we got more cleanup to do. I even see a jack under there.
What?
Yeah, there's an old jack there.
Where? Oh, for crying out loud, there is. Here, I'll hold this. Grab
The
it.
stuff we find.
I swear, we find the weirdest stuff everywhere on this property.
How many years that was sitting underneath there?
Well, that'll be trash. What are we gonna do with this sucker now?
Well, it's pressure treated, so you're not supposed to burn it. So I guess it's
Well, are the other steps still good? Would we be able to salvage the steps part?
They're rotted too. They ain't gonna last very long. There's mushrooms and everything growing on
Where?
there. Wood destroying organisms eating it up.
Oh yeah, it's bad. Yeah, look, you can see termite damage there. Well, they've probably been here for years for it to get that bad.
See the tunnels there?
Oh yeah, look at the
There's tunnels over here. Termite tunnels.
Yeah.
So, all right. This will go to the dump.
Now we gotta.
All a day on the homestead.
Yep. Now we gotta.
Replace the whole steps.
Hey, we can mulch in here now.
Right? And I'll put down some good.
Oh yeah, we'll have to clean up the board pieces.
Yeah.
Is that what it was sitting on?
Yeah.
That's all that's left?
That instead of putting it on concrete,
Yeah, like what we've been doing.
they got it on wood. It's sitting on another piece of wood here.
There's another piece of. Is that pressure treated?
Yeah.
Oh, for crying out
I'll
loud.
dig it up and I'll put.
Yeah.
We'll put it on a concrete block so that we don't have to worry about it rotting away.
Yeah, because we've been slowly. Look at this. That's tile. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Please
Yes.
tell me there's not. Is this on?
Wood.
That's on wood too?
Yeah, we'll be replacing that whole thing.
Oh, for crying out loud. Yeah. Handrail's gonna have to go too. But that'll be later. Not worried about it right now.
Another project for another day. Y'all have a great day.
All right, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.